Welcome to Jeanette and Pete's Tweets. Garden Birdwatch. How have I got into garden birdwatch? I have a keen interest in wildlife and always have had, as a young man. But anyway, I joined the Manx Birdlife group, and a gentleman, Mike Howland, my thanks to Mike, give us a talk on the first night, and it inspired me to have a look around the garden and get into it a bit and see what wildlife we have actually in our backyards. We have, as you will see over time, a substantial garden that goes to waste, generally speaking, as far as we're concerned. But as far as the wildlife is concerned, it's quite fantastic. So I've decided to make a start, and the start is with a bird table, and I have no understanding. This is a learning tree on garden wildlife, so please comment as we go. But anyway, I'll just go over what little I do know so far, and that is different feeders attract different species. What I've got here is Niger seeds, fat balls as I call them, and seed, and a table with actually bread in it this morning, breadcrumbs, and they attract different varieties. So what I'm going to do is work on this on film and see what we can get in the garden, see how these things actually work and how they produce. So please join me, and we'll have a look on camera to see what this did in the first 45 minutes. Well, in the comfort of the studio, looking back, playing back and editing the video and having a look, we can see that we've got the predominance of great tit with the blue tit, which will appear when you've been and gone. They do compete against each other. They don't fight, but they do compete against each other. Normally the great tit gets the advantage. There's the blue tit there, got the blue head. The great tit has the black crown on top there. You see the difference, and the bigger. Both very spectacular. Very beautiful. What if we have this all going on in our garden and we tend not to bother or take any notice of it really? I'm just getting into ornithology. The wife is the bird watcher in our house, and the photographer, and the guy who does the videos and makes it all, or tries to make it all work. We have a lot of activity on the feeders in such a short time. It took about literally 5 minutes to get going. They are watching me all the time because I have had the feeder out for some time now, probably 3 or 4 weeks, so they're familiar, but they are getting used to the camera. They weren't used to that tripod with the camera sat on it, and they were a bit shy for 10 minutes. It really got going, and in setting up the camera I did miss a lot of early morning life, bird life. We've had the usual blackbird and wood pigeon, but I missed it. It was on the ground feed. As I say, it would have been better if I did the feeder at the bottom centre there. The feeder's empty, it's on the ground, as we'll see in a minute. There we go. What I've done there is a good old robin, trusty old robin. Greedy old robin, to be honest with you. And one thing I've got to say at this stage, as I said in the intro, or if I haven't, then don't put whole peanuts out, because the robin will try and swallow the whole thing and choke. But this is not ground breadcrumbs, but breadcrumbs shredded up in a blender, and I let them dry. And the reason I let them dry is because if they're on the ground wet, it's got a lot more chance of picking up bacteria which can poison the bird or hurt the bird. We have got to look after our wildlife. Just a bit of background about what I do. I'm into bushcraft and survival and wildlife generally speaking. It's my wife who has a passion for bird watching since she was a young girl, who has brought me to this, observing bird life and purely focused on bird life for this video. But here we are. The fat ball seems to be the predominant feeder, or rather the more lengthy feed. They really love them, and it gives the photographer a bit of a chance, because what they'll do on the seeders is they'll take the seed and fly off with it and eat it somewhere else. Great tits still feeding. Oh, he's having a lick more than feeding. There's plenty of choice up above. He's come back for another. We've got another one hands. I've no way of knowing is it the same bird at the moment, flying away and coming back. I wouldn't think so. I think we've got a turnover of different birds. I'll have to put some paint on the feeders, so it will go. We'd have to change the colours every day. I don't know how to identify it, but it's a beginning project, and I'm very pleased with it at the moment. We've had success in such a short period of time. I've clipped this video to last over 16 minutes, I think it is, and it was about approximately 45 minutes in its camera work. So it gives you some idea of the life you can get on your feeders, and how quickly you can get them on your feeders. They don't seem to take weeks and weeks to find out that you've got a feeder in your garden. They seem to know it straight away. I'm sure you keen ornithologists out there will tell me more, and please share in your comments, and forgive me if I get my bird ID wrong. See, they do wrestle with you. Or not too bad. I've had 3 species so far: blue tit, the great tit, and the robin. We're just waiting in anticipation that we'll get more species. This is mid-January, so it is effectively midwinter. And I think there's still lots of seeds and stuff on the ground naturally, but this is a pleasant treat for them. That's my overview. Again, please comment and let me know if I'm not on the right track. It's a 1-horse race at the moment, or a 2-horse race. Lots of food with only 2 species, with the robin not striking the feeder. Or probably too territorial to go up there and compete. Although they are little bullies. never a great lull in the activity that happens at the feeders. With a little knowledge, we can start to identify each species one at a time, until we have an understanding of what's going on in our garden. We're all learning, aren't we? There's such a vast amount of information on the earth today, and always has been, I suppose, but we're never going to get it in one lifetime. We can only pass on our own experiences, but if we don't observe and learn them, we're never going to know. At the arrival of cold tits there on the fat ball. Correct me if I'm wrong. They do feel free to comment, I'm not an expert. That was a great tip. See, there's a lot of activity in the background in the garden. There's a lot of different species in the garden. Well, a lot of birds in the garden anyway. The object of this garden watch is to try and increase my knowledge on how to attract them in front of the camera. That's a challenge. I think that was a cool thing. Your help is welcome, by the way, in my poor bird identification. Don't seem to be affected by the wind. It is quite windy today. They were a bit shy. The dogs were out earlier. The dogs don't bother them much, but they're not as active when the dogs are under the feeder or knocking about. The beauties of ornithology. I keep a budgie and we've got all this going on around us. Well, I enjoyed that. Whether you did or not, I don't know, but I certainly did, and that's a good start. 4 species on the feeder in the first day. I know I've had a feeder out, and it's not here now. I had a seed feeder out for a while, encouraging them around. But 4 species of bird life to entertain us, basically. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and please let me know on my faults. As I say, I keep saying that I'm not an ornithologist, I'm just a budding ornithologist. So anyway, this is Jeanette and Pete's tweets signing out.